Taken down by Grant. And now the Hurricanes eyeing the try line, which is 5 metres away. Now a charge at the line, and the try is scored. Now Judd for Umaga Jensen holding it up. He gets it off to Grant. He in turn finds. That's a beautiful Lauaki. Conversion completed by Morgan. So everybody's on side here, and Morgan fires it away for Sinkinson, who's made a pretty big impression early on. And here he goes again, looking left and right, frees it up to Grant. He in turn finds Judd, and the Hurricanes are under the posts. 3 tries so far, 2 of them converted. Line-out's good, and good momentum too as they drive towards the line, getting very close, and they get the try. And it might be a try. Anyway, it is a try. That's a better kick, and all of a sudden, there's just a 7-point margin between these two teams. Another crack at the line, another offside coming here. Going to have to be careful here, and it's gone wide. The try is scored by Fine Anisi. Ball is there for Toma Tini. Avili charged, and Larkai, Peter Larkai scores the try. Morgan's conversion is good. To his left, in fact he goes back to the right, held up short of the line. They'll have another crack here, keeping nice and low, and the try is scored under the bar. Converted by Christian Liliafano, 29-24.
Counter-up's good, no advantage, offside.
And the kick from Morgan is good. The long pass, just kept it in. Really dicing with death, and up goes the flag, and that'll be the final whistle. Hurricanes get the win, far from convincing. Brave effort by Moana Pasifika, but in the finish, the Hurricanes have won it by 32-24.